Go check it out, Surah Namal, chapter 27, verse 10. Very powerful, beautiful example. A powerful example for people who in Dawah. People who in Dawah. That's why, we try to train our imams here all to be in Dawah, Dawah, Dawah. Because when you're in Dawah, have no fear. What a wonderful example. Allah, lesson in the Quran. And every time I see this verse, I get little goosebumps. It gives a little courage. Because it takes a lot. It takes a lot to do dawah all the time. People hate you. People get fed up of you. People get tired of you. People see you like, oh boy, he's coming to invite us to go praise Allah. He's probably coming to invite us to go to class. He's coming to invite us. In advance of the Sheikh Jummah's Farz, I was there for Jummah last week. Or they probably thought you coming to invite them to ask for some donation to give in the Quran. To give to spread the message of the Quran. And there are some people, they see you, they call you donation. They see a call from Alhikmat, it's like, oh boy, they're calling for donation to spread the message of the Quran. So what? Don't you know when you spread the message of the Quran, and when you support the message of the Quran, Allah will put barakat in your life? That is what Allah did to the people who did and who supported